Imagine a world where every pixel matters, where 2 terabytes square off against 4 in a high-stakes showdown. Welcome to the Guardians of Security, the Battle of Terabytes. In a cutting-edge security lab, we meet Dr. Evelyn Wright, the brilliant mind behind GSS's groundbreaking surveillance technology. Enter Agent Max Stone, a rugged field operative with a skepticism for tech, but an unwavering trust in his instincts. Dr. Wright passionately presents, 2 terabytes store 30 days of footage, while 4 terabytes hold a staggering 60 days. In a world where every second counts, this could be the difference between catching a culprit or letting them slip away. Agent Stone, ever the skeptic, raises some valid points. What about different types of cameras? Infrared, night vision, PTZ, motorized zoom? Dr. Wright has answers for them all. Infrared to detect heat signatures, night vision for the cover of darkness, PTZ for wide coverage, motorized zoom for detailed focus, and dome bullets for that James Bond flare. From schools to libraries, even cannabis dispensaries and sustainable agriculture, GSS's 4 terabytes NVRs are the guardians of security. Single-family homes, they've got you covered. Frames per second, you ask? High FPS captures every blink. Low FPS, you might miss that crucial wink. The key, as Dr. Wright puts it, is balance, just like life. Left with a choice between 2 terabytes and 4, Agent Stone, a man who's seen it all, chooses progress. 4 terabytes it is. Dr. Wright, ever the dedicated professional, makes a call to a potential client. She invites them to visit gssglobalsecurity.com or schedule an appointment with a live agent to find tailored solutions for their needs. Guardians of Security, the Battle of Terabytes. Because in a world where every pixel matters, safety knows no limits. Book an appointment with our live sales agent today and embark on a thrilling ride through the world of surveillance technology with GSS Global Security. Protecting the world, 1 pixel at a time. Remember, any resemblance to real security companies or agents is purely coincidental. This is for entertainment purposes only. Now buckle up and dive into the world of NVRs, camera types, and optimal configurations with us. Your safety is our business.